The construction of the second mega pier by the Curacao Ports Authority is on schedule. Several ships moored in the harbor of Curacao during the months of January and February to deliver special equipment and materials for the construction of the new mega pier. The pier, which will be ready in the fourth quarter of 2017, will in part be constructed with the help from the tug Marlin, which is equipped with special cranes. The Marlin departed from the port of IJmuiden in the Netherlands on the 12th of December last year and arrived in Curacao on the 19th of January this year. The special concrete needed for the construction of the mega pier is being produced in the Netherlands and was delivered during the month of February 2017. Currently, pipes to support the pier are being produced in China. The first batch of 50 pipes was shipped from China in January 2017. The pipes are about 50 meters long and more than 1.3 meters wide. Once arrived in Curacao, preparation for the placement of the pipes into the seabed will take about 2 to 3 weeks. Stay tuned for more developments on the new mega pier.